Hi, I'm Linda Guerra, photographer, illustrator, and visual storyteller. I want to welcome you to my creative corner of YouTube. Here you'll find videos about the art and craft of photography, from lighting tutorials and other walkthroughs, all the way to my illustration work, where I dive into creating children's books and how to go about getting business for your illustration. No matter what type of creative journey you're on, I welcome you to join me here on my channel. My goal with this channel is to inspire others, whether they're photographers, illustrators, or artists, and I invite them to collaborate, join the community, and learn as much as you can about all aspects creative. My goal with this channel is to inspire photographers and illustrators to build work that's personal, meaningful, and beautifully crafted. So join me on this journey as I create a space for all of us to learn from each other and build community that matters. Thanks, and subscribe below.